This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
We are now in the motorway and going to check out how the matrix is working now. You see it blocks out incoming traffic on the other side. We also have this, well, somewhat unique lights in the center divider. I don't think we have that any other places in Norway or even in the world. So I remember the BMW iX3, not the Neue Klasse, the previous gen. It was fooled by the center light and it kept flickering it on and off. Here though, it seems like it, it behaves correctly. Let me see, we have a car in front there, an upcoming car. Okay, they blocked it out. And then when it passes, it should fire it up again. But it does fire up also on the left side. There you see the sign gets a bit more illuminated. Some cars will not light up the left side at all as long as it detects that we are on the motorway. This car will do it. So nice good spread. Wonderful to use this on the motorway at night. I went for 1,000 kilometer challenge and on that trip I will get a quite good impression how the matrix light is working. And also on the stretch where we have nice straight roads, if the light is being too aggressive, I get flashed at a lot. I didn't get flashed at that many times. It happened, but not nearly as often as some other cars. It seems like this car can detect oncoming traffic far enough away so it doesn't bother oncoming traffic. Okay, more cars oncoming. I think they still have the high beam on. Okay, the first car turning off. Yeah, and it still keeps the right side illuminated. But let me check now on the big signs to the right. These are not pixel lights. It doesn't have that high resolution. So I'm not sure how it detects the signs though. It seems like it can interpret them and actually not flash, not blast too high intensity against the signs. With some other cars, if they're not smart enough, the signs will be way too bright. It's uncomfortably bright, especially with cars with strong headlights. So here, it's doing a pretty good job. Yeah, I'm very impressed. And it also illuminates the right side really well. See, like now, yeah, you see? I want to illuminate the right side to spot any animals. Wow, great. Okay, here we have another big sign. Yeah, it seems to detect the signs. Nice job. We are back home. I was going to show you guys the stats here, but man, this car is acting like a Chinese car. Look. Okay, yes, I know that the left beam is kaput. It's flickering there, so it actually reflects what's going on. But okay, can you stop that? I want to show the trip meter. No. Okay. Let me see. Is this okay? We have to put it on off then. Okay, can we now see the stats? Okay. Now we should be able to. Yeah, finally. Oh, here you can see the kaput light. So that side is okay. This side, it flickers. Yeah, actually the camera is able to catch it. It's not the camera's shutter speed versus LED. And actually it seems to also affect this side here. The funny thing is that if this happened to a Chinese car, you'd be like, shit, Chinese quality. Well, what about the Mercedes? Oh, interesting. You see, the light on this side was flickering. Well, now it's totally dead, so it doesn't give me any error anymore. It's just dead. And this car has done only around 3,000 kilometers on the odometer. Well, it's not only the headlight, also parts of the LED strip, whatever, is dead. So, well, that's a bit unfortunate. Some people claim that it's from Hella, the lights. Yeah, it's kaput. It's one warranty, I guess. Can we see now? There. Look at that, look at that. It's doing the animation, but only on one side. If you know Mercedes, it's supposed to do two of those. They cross each other. So yeah, one side is kaput. Use the high beam, or do we have high beam here? I don't know, it seems like it's just have to pull it towards you. The kind of high beam on-ish. Yeah, one eye is damaged or completely out. It's like a what do you call it again? Man, I can't think of it. It's kind of working now. There. Okay. Pirate, that was the word. Yeah, it's a one-eyed pirate. Yarr! No problem. Yeah, the headlights here are so powerful that even one side lights up better than some other cars with both headlights on.